Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. On this channel we talk about importation business, entrepreneurships, business opportunities, and how you can make money in Africa. If you're interested in starting or building your own business, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to buy laptops in the Xianyu app. Kindly watch this video till the end if you don't want to miss out. My name is Seidu Saudekaba, and this is Business with SK. Let's get straight to the video. First of all, there are several platforms where you can import your laptops from. And in today's video, I'll check different platforms, compare the prices, check the seller, look at the reviews, then I will decide where I'll be getting the best deal from. There are 5 Chinese apps where you can import your laptops from. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best of the 5 apps on how you can buy cheap and original laptops from China. The first app I would like to share with you is 1688. If you've heard about importing from China before, I know you've probably heard people mention 1688. 1688 is mainly focused on Chinese domestic markets, and also you'll find plenty of wholesalers and suppliers here. Yes, so with this one, our main aim is looking for a laptop here. So let's say I want to search for a laptop. So I'll just type a laptop in the search bar. And let's say I want Dell laptop. Yes, I have to be specific with the brand. And you see a lot of suppliers selling Dell laptops showed up here. A lot of them here. So now it's up to you to choose a supplier to buy from. And also make sure when you're choosing the supplier, you check for their reviews, their ratings, and many others. So I'll be choosing this particular supplier for the laptop I want. So with here, this is the supplier's interface. So let's go ahead right now and check the specification of this laptop. To check the specification, click on product attributes. So this is where you get to know the specs of this laptop. Get to know the weight, the battery life, the screen size, the Intel, and many others. So after confirming with the specifications, I'll then go ahead and text the supplier for more details of this laptop. One thing too you can also do is to check the supplier's page and see what other products this supplier is selling. Whether you can get HP laptop, Dell laptop, Lenovo laptop, and many others. You see, the one I just texted the supplier with is a brand called Lucky Star. You see, you can get a lot of different brands and different products from this supplier. After a few moments, the supplier got back to me that I should wait a moment. He will send me the pictures of the laptop. You see, right now I'm okay with this supplier, so what I'm waiting is the pictures of the products. If the supplier sends me the pictures and the videos and I'm okay with it, then I'll go ahead and make payment to place my order. The second app where we can also buy laptops from is Taobao app. Taobao is another popular Chinese shopping app, just like the 1688, where you can buy a variety of items on this app. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy laptop on this app. Firstly, let's head on to the search bar and search for HP laptop, and you see a lot of suppliers showed up here, just like 1688. Make sure you check for reviews, the supplier's purchasing rates, and many others to know whether the supplier is fake or legit. So I'll choose the first supplier. So when you are buying from Taobao, it's the same process as buying from 1688. So make sure the supplier you are buying from is legit. And you see, these are the reviews from this supplier's page. You can just go through them one after the other. So now let's check for a different brand of laptop. So let's check for Dell laptop. A lot of Chinese suppliers selling Dell laptops showed up here. What you do is you just select the supplier you want, and also make sure the supplier is legit by checking for the reviews, repurchasing rates, and many others. Then after that, you compare the prices with other suppliers and see which price is best for you. So this is the reviews for this particular supplier. You can scroll down to know more about this supplier through the reviews. So this particular person is also saying this supplier, he was really impressed with this supplier. and also the laptop you bought was very good and is in perfect condition. The next app where you can buy your laptops from is Xianyu app. I normally talk about this app a lot. Xianyu app is one of the best apps where you can import your gadgets from, especially if you're into laptop business, phone business, or other gadgets. And this app too is very difficult to ask for refund, especially comparing it to 168 Taobao and Pinduoduo. And also there is a lot of scammers there, so if you don't take care, you'll make a wrong transaction. So let's also check for a laptop here. A lot of suppliers showed up here, and also you can get brand new laptop, refurbished laptop, or used laptop. So let's check for Lenovo laptop on this app. You see a lot of Lenovo suppliers showed up here. And honestly, Xianyu is one of the best Chinese apps to import your gadgets from. You just have to be a little cautious when buying from this app. The fourth app where you can also import your laptops from is Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo is also one of the best Chinese shopping app where you can also buy your laptop from. And also when you are registering for Pinduoduo, you only need your WeChat to register an account on Pinduoduo. In my next video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Pinduoduo. So now let's check for Lenovo laptop. A lot of suppliers are showing up here selling Lenovo laptop. So I'm going to select one of these suppliers and show you how you can place an order from Pinduoduo if you want to buy a laptop on this app. I'm going to select this supplier. So after choosing this supplier, you check for the specs of this laptop and also you check for the reviews. So let's check for the reviews from here. And also as you are checking the reviews, you also get to know how the supplier is to other customers. So if you're okay with this supplier, just click on buy now where the arrow is pointing at. Then you select the gig you want and place your order. The last app I want to share with you is WeChat. You see, with WeChat like this, you can normally use it to chat your suppliers in case you're having your suppliers contact. And also you can use it to check directly for suppliers contacts. With here, just check for laptop wholesaler. You can get a lot of suppliers here, like a lot of contacts here. I'm choosing this supplier. So this is the supplier's page. So I want to get the supplier's number. I'll just click on the supplier's profile. You see with this side, you can see the supplier's WhatsApp number. You can take the number from here. Ask the supplier about any laptop you want and also ask of the specifications you want. If you've watched this video up to this point, make sure you subscribe, comment on this video, like and share it to others. And also if you are someone looking to start your own gadget importation, you want to start your own phone business, laptop and other gadgets, I'll be leaving the link in my bio for you to access our masterclass course. My name is Xianyu Saudekava and this is Business with SK. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.